Previously on Madman.
Here. Oh, fuck. Okay. Honda man, appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
I can help you, brother.
See, what I think it needs to do, K20 swap it, first of all. Slam it, big wing, do a front wheel drive, drivetrain conversion. It's pretty much perfect after that. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, you hit your fucking fender with your coilover. That was nice.
I praise God every time I turn the key and it turns on, and it does. I was in an accident. I went off the road going 45 miles an hour, hit a ditch, turned it off, wait a couple minutes, turn it back on, everything's good. Oil pressure's good. Huh? Airbags didn't go off either, which is like good. Yeah.
So this is the hub, this is where the wheel mounts, this is the brake, caliper, this is the whole strut assembly.
Okay.
This is what we're replacing. This strut assembly is attached to the hub with these two bolts right here that I just took the bolts off, the nuts off of. And then this top hat right here. This
Okay.
Okay? So I have to get these bolts out to release this.
Okay.
Right? So to release that pressure, because it's just sitting there on
And
it,
it's taut.
I need to lift this up or push down on it. And then I need to take this fucking meat smacker and hit it out.
When you were in there, stick your head in there. Do you see the bolt that it's hitting?
I do now.
It's hitting another bolt. That's why.
There you go.
Yay.
There it goes.
I can't do this by myself. Here, hold it. It's heavy, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's really heavy. I can't forget we got to twist it around there.
Do you want another one?
You want it to?
Yeah, it's got him now.
You want it to be held by the lines?
I don't know if that even hooked or not. Yeah, here, unclip it and let that off. It's got a clip on it, so I get that out of your way too.
Okay.
It's a 14. Why would they do that? Why the fuck would they do that?
Do you need something smaller or bigger?
Bigger. I don't think it broke. I think it just slipped.
Which I mean, it is washer.
Okay, so it's a new day. We got really pissed the other night. We were here until midnight and we couldn't get it done. The rears took like 7 hours to do. So we got the strut out of this side and everything's set there that we need to use. So we need to put this strut in and then start on the other side, and then the coils will be done. And then we're gonna take the wheels and we're gonna test fit them and try to get the fitment done today. And just like adjust the coils to it. That's the goal for today. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, but that's the goal.
If you lower it, it'll come down.
Yeah. And then we'll adjust it once it's already connected. I'm literally just trying to
Get it close.
yeah.
That's fine. You still probably have a lot of travel on us.
I'm sure I do.
I need to do what Randy and them did. They put anti-seize on their stuff. I remember
Probably
watching.
not a bad idea.
I push it up this side of it?
Yep. Go to the bottom first, so the top's easier. Go down.
Is that both of them?
That's the top. Can't see how the bottom is.
I got it.
There you got it?
Here, push it in. There should be it right
There it is.
there.
Yep.
No, the 10 mil.
Let me hold that.
I can't see your piston calipers or the disc is so much higher.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is our last side. We know the order of sequences now. So I didn't think we'd have to take the caliper off first. With the bolts to take off the main strut, it's hit against the caliper when they're coming out. So we need to take the caliper off first. And then, before we get any farther, we're going to take the end link off. And then we'll take the strut off. And then we'll do the top. And everything should fall out. So let's get started.
I thought about putting the Kirkies in whenever we go to fucking shows. So someone looks at like, fucking Kirkies. This guy's a
Fucking beast! Alright, go over there on that table and get me those zip ties.
There's another one if you need it.
Just in case.
Just in case.
God damn, that's tight. Just a little here.
There you go. Now I should be able to do it. Yeah, I'm still spinning.
Still?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we have that.
Just leave that where it's at.
Yeah.
Just take the top off.
Take
Come on.
Alright. Since this side's easier.
I think we just know what we're doing now.
Yeah. Ready? We'll go slow. Hold on. I barely touched it.
Ow.
Ow. Yeah, that ain't gonna need a band-aid for that one.
That one fucking hurt. Oh, man. It just hasn't hit me yet. It really fucking hurts. Ouch.
You might want to cover that up before you get anything in it.
Ouch. Fuck. Okay, so the whole issue that we've had with this car the entire time is that since it's so old and none of this stuff has ever been removed, it's 12 years old, all of the bushings are just fucked. So the bushings that are holding the end link, which is something that I didn't know about this car, that's why when we got the coilovers, it came with a new end link. So that connects to the back of the coilover and then to the sway bar. But the bushing on the old one is spinning inside of itself, so I can't get the nut off. So we're taking vice grips and trying to hold it, but we still can't see if it's spinning or not.
Might as well just see if the thread's back out or not. Like that.
Oh god.
And try to climb back on that.
There's no way. We might have just fucked ourselves.
Yep.
This Sparky's hurt. Now, where's the punch?
It's over there.
I swear to God, this doesn't work.
I would think it would. Yep. Bingo bongo.
so.
Yeah, man.
Bingo, bongo, bingo, bango. Who thought that to put coilovers on, we'd have to break out the grinder twice?
Dude, you're
Fucking Sunday!
just going how not to wide body again.
How not to put coilovers on your car. Okay.
Now the easy part.
Now, yeah, basically.
But I just jinxed this. Somebody knocked on glass. How does it feel? It feels woohoo? Are you Mario?
Oh, yeah.
Is that a smaller wheel?
Yeah, it's an 18.
Very good set of tires that fit them big wheels.
Ah, shouldn't I?
Yeah, that's a long
Oh god, I can't get this
We'll
off.
see if we can clearly see.
That stretch a lot.
She's a little extreme stretch.
Small.
They are.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. This car's gonna drop a lot. Holy shit, my wheels are on. Oh god.
Feels like cost about it's half as much.
Oh, the car was mine.
What's the poop? So it's where it sticks out past.
Yeah, it really does. Like
Yeah,
the
there's a
camera's-
lot of natural camera.
So like
The front is it's positive right now. The alignment needs to come in. The front needs negative.
Yeah, you put the road one thing on, yeah. I know.
Or the lugs.
Yeah.
But yeah, it needs to come down probably like that much. Dude, I can't fucking believe it. Oh, it's so bad. Ass!
Dude, it looks so fucking good.
Probably going to be from fender to lip.
Yeah.
So you can measure in between that area.
Yeah.
Instead of going tire, it'd be because you're going to tuck the tire up anyway. So
Yeah.
I would go fender to lip and measure that distance and then lower that distance.
It's like right at 3.5 inches from fender to lip. So,
Do you want to go to 1.5 or to 2 right now? Because you still have to give room for the springs. A lot of work for a static car, huh?
you think?
Man, bags would be so much easier. So now, so now, whenever you see someone bagged, you're like, "Well, that's too easy."
Yeah.
Yeah. So now you have the respect for a static car.
They have like a system in the E level, and it'll literally just sit there and dance and
Yeah.
find its way.
Yeah. With this, you have to hand do everything. That's why I have more respect for a static car that's low as hell, and then instead of a bag car that's low. Because bag is easy. I mean, it's not easy to install.
Now,
You're spinning the other thing.
yeah.